What techniques and equipment does Altasciences use for handling poorly soluble APIs?
So we use a process called nanomilling. The nanomilling is done either with a jar mill for a small scale or with a Delta Vita milling equipment with an agitator. In the case of nanomilling, we are essentially pulverizing the API down into nano-sized particles and stabilizing those particles with surfactants and other ingredients or other excipients to form a stable product.
What kind of results can you achieve with nanomilling?
This technique allows us to grind the API down from its native size, which typically falls within the tens to hundreds of microns in terms of how the API crystallizes. When we apply the nanomilling technique to it, we can grind those particles down to a nano-size range.
Can you provide an example of this technique being used at Altasciences?
Here at the Harleysville site, we manufacture a nanosuspension drug product for one of our sponsor. This API is an amorphous solid that has very poor water solubility that is being used to treat a CNS disorder. The problem with the CNS disorder is that you need particle sizes that are small enough to be able to penetrate the blood-brain barrier in order to get to its target. So in this case, we milled down the API to about 100 nanometers in order to bypass this barrier.